Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to work offline on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. First of all, open your spreadsheet that you want to work on it offline and follow these simple steps. Well, there is a feature that is called work on offline in Google Spreadsheet, or Google Sheets, so we want to activate it uh, to make us work offline. And now we will head directly to the file menu here. As you can see in this ribbon, we'll find the file menu or the file tab. It will open it will open this box or this uh, menu here, and we want to go down, and we will check, or we will click on the make available offline option, so that we can as you can see, it's already telling us that the document is now available offline. So let's try for example doing change and turning off our Wi-Fi. So now if we, as you can see, it's we are already uh, working in the mode offline. So let's just do anything. We can do whatever we want. Example, I don't know. Let's insert some words. 3, 315. We can add some x value of this, and it will give us the max for example. So we can do whatever we want in this Google spreadsheet. Also, even if we refresh, we will find our data are still the same. Now let's turn on our Wi-Fi again, and no, and then all we have to do to go in mode online again, all we have is to go to the file ribbon here, or the file tab, and go to deactivate the offline mode or access offline mode. So now we are working in the online mode again. So this is how you work offline on your spreadsheet on Google Sheet. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.